Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So I want to run an advertisement on my Instagram post, and I want to do it for a testimonial. So I'm going to use my company's Google account, Google Map account, and from there I am using this review to run an advertisement in the form of client's testimonial, right? So I have copied it, and now I am coming back to Canva. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look for some Instagram post and searching for client testimonial. I'm writing client testimonials, and that person have given 5 star, has given 5 star. So I will be using that too, but like that brands does not have any photo. It's like just automatically RJ has taken my this Gmail account, so I am not at all able, I won't be able to use photo. So what I'll do, I'll like if there is any photo element, I'll remove it. I'll remove the complete frame, right? So you can see it how I'm doing it. So I'm just clicking here and deleting frame, and I want to highlight these words using black color, and also I'm not at all liking this font. So, and mostly we use either Alice or Times New Roman, like this kind of font for our brand, or Beleja. We can also use Beleja, that would be fine. Okay, here I am using name RJ. What's that? Business electronics electronics business. Okay, but you can see when you'll try to read electronics, it's not at all clearly visible. So I need to change this font too. I'll use Beleja for all font, and this too, let's go for Beleja, and we'll be changing it to everyone. So I'm putting my company's website here. Unable to see it. Firstly, let's change the color. Let's make it to red color so that it is clearly visible to me. Okay, let's zoom it a bit. There are a lot of mistakes are there. This W should be small, M should not be there. Marketing and solutions.com. Now it's fine. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put a dot here. Okay, so now we have done it too. And here let's do one thing. Let's make it white. We need to make text visible, right? So you need to like think upon the colors, and if I make it like white, and if I make it red, I'm using red color because red color is in my brand's logo. So we use in our brand palette, we use red color, red, white, blue or black, like these 4 colors. Okay, so now it's done. Okay, yeah, now it's done. Let me write, we can also write contact. Okay, contact detail we can put downside. Let's write it here. And I'm making it a bit like this, or we need to extend this block. Then I'm putting it here, increasing the size. Okay, let's put our logo at first. This is our logo. So yeah, it's done now. We can also put it this side. Let's do one thing, let's delete it and let's put it here. Now it's done. Okay, so now I need to edit this. So I am pasting the same review that we got on our Google page, Google Map, right? So I'm just putting it here, taking it downside, decreasing this block, taking it a bit above, and then this rating part do one thing, we can also remove this and we'll put 5 star as a combined element. I'll show you how to do it. Sorry. Okay, so let's put it here. Let's take it a bit downside. We can also minimize it. Okay, we are done with this part. Now you can see now it's fine. Okay, and in this we are putting a dash. Now it's done. Okay, now it's done. You can see it here. So now it's done, no? Now what we need to do is, let's change this color to, let's make it maybe blue. And here what we need to do is, we need to put 5 star element rating. So it's not 4.5, it's complete 5. So let's go for the same. Let's use this. Or to manage the space, I've deleted that thing and we'll put it here. Or do one thing, go for element, we want 5 star. It's right here. So yeah, now it's done. You can see it here. Okay, now what we need to do is, I need to give a CTA. So I will be using these kind of element, like contact us, this one. And here what I can do, I can just copy this text, delete it, and I will be putting my number, company's number. It's done. Taking it downside here and taking it also downside here. Okay, and we need to minimize it. See, we have already put our website's link here. You can see it here, and we have given number, and now we need to look for Gmail, है ना? Gmail. So for Gmail we can use this icon. We can use any icon and we can change the color accordingly. Now Gmail, I need to write our official Gmail, that is contact@skillupmarketingsolutions.com. Okay, so it's done. Now we just need to manage this thing. This box, can we do something with this box? We can. So I have just minimized it and putting my link here, and here we have got some space, right? So what I'm doing is just putting it here. इसको ऐसे रखते हैं, इसको थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज करना पड़ेगा .com, और इसको इधर रखते हैं. ठीक. Let's change this color to, what color we can try? Is it looking good? Can we use the same color for this too? It would be too much. Or Okay, we can make it red too, but no, this will get mixed with this. Let's put this, let's keep the same previous color. It's done. Okay, now you can see it. We have done with logo, we have done with CTA, and everything we have done it. If you want, we can change this color too, we can make it red, but I think blue is looking much fine because we are using blue color here. So it's good if we are using the same color some places, some other places too. So we have used it here. Now it's done, and now I'm going to download it. Make sure you take the like right format of it. So when it comes to Facebook, you cannot put PNG images on Facebook. For that matter, you need to download it in the form of JPG. So once done, then we'll move forward to run an advertisement. I'm just worried about if any spelling is there that is not correct, but I think everything is fine. Our website is correct and number सब कुछ ठीक है, I think. So it's done here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it right here. We have already used it, so मतलब like मतलब एक already format use कर चुके हैं, content format. So just copying the same caption, coming here, putting this one, putting this, moving forward. Here I am pasting it, and then you can see, yeah, one thing that in when we when we proceed to run any advertisement on Instagram, it is suggested to not to use any music, because even if you are using it, so you need to remove the sound, or you need to proceed without using the music thing. So it's wise if we are not at all using this part. Okay, and it's it will automatically go to Facebook too. So just sharing it. Now it's done. From here we need to take our next step, that is I'm going for boost post. I need more messages and contact us. Next will go automatically. Special ad category will cover those people who are running any advertisement based on housing, or say property, or real estate, or for job advertisement. You can see it here: credit, loans, or social issues, elections, or politics. So I'm not at all doing anything out of these things, so just automatic. Next. So I'm just showing you. I can go, I want to spend around 1500 rupees, but for this advertisement I want to show you within a small amount you can gain how much, or like how many people you can cover, or how large like what will be the extent of spending small amount but gaining huge audience. So I will show you it, and once this ad will get like finished, so I'll make a video and we'll share the results. So let's keep it to 2 days, and we are spending 250 rupees daily. Even if you want, you can minimize it, like minimum amount is 166. You can see it here. So if you want, I can also start with 166 daily. Let's go for it. Here you can see everything. So payment method, I have already 2.21 in my ad account. Okay, so total spend will be 391, as we are going to run it for 2 days. You can see it right here. Okay, so I need to add some like amount here. So let's see it. Okay, my payment, so these are the payments method that you need to look into. All these, so debit or credit card, but I use UPI or Google Pay or say Paytm. So you can use any of these. You can also go for net banking. So these are the option that this provide, like Instagram provide. But I have already like if you have any say any amount left in your account, so suppose as I have already 200 or something, and I just want, I think 150 rupees more to add in it. So I'm just going with this amount, proceeding. Once proceed, then you need to put all your details like account detail and everything, and then after that your ad will go to review thing, and after a few hours it will start running. And then yeah, you can check your results, and based on that you can take action. If you receive any messages, you can like focus on those messages. If needed, you can also contact them if they share any like contact number or something. Once your transaction is done, you can see this message here: nice work, and your ad has been sent for review. Most ads are reviewed within 24 hours, but it does take only, I think, 1 hour hardly. And after that time, your star will start your advertisement will start running. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.